lovies. For those of you who are new, I'm not Gina, but I am filling in for her today while she is unavailable. So, today we're going to make old-fashioned sock puppets. So let's get started. This entire project can be done with Dollar Tree stuff. So I bought a package of socks. I bought them from Marshall's on clearance. They were very inexpensive. I think there was like 8 pairs of men's socks in there. You could get socks from Dollar Tree. I used cardboard. You're going to need a piece of cardboard to make the mouth. You're going to need some kind of adhesive glue, hot glue, fabric glue, whatever glue you love. You can even sew things on if you like to sew. We used googly eyes, which made them really fun. You need something to make hair for your puppet. You can use a mop head from Dollar Tree. You can use the microfiber duster. You can use the flexible duster, all that. All of those make great hair for your puppet. You're going to want some gems that's sticky on one side, or just glue them on the flat backs. This will make your puppet blingy. We also use paint and markers, sunglasses from the Dollar Tree, hair bows. Your imagination can run wild with these, which ours is going to. We just started and now we're obsessed with making these because they're so much fun.
Put your curly cues in.
So here are all our goodies that we used. Here, some of the things I didn't mention was pipe cleaners. Ava made little curly cues for hers. You need felt pieces, pom-poms.
First thing we're doing.
Okay, took an Amazon box and I cut the edge of it off, the flap, because we're using this to make the mouth. You're going to need a piece that fits the size of your sock, and you're going to have to bend it in half. This is how we create the movable mouth. And then we're going to turn the sock inside out, and we're going to glue the cardboard to the inside of the sock so that when we turn it right side out, we now have a movable mouth. And there you have it. Now you have your mouth. Now you're ready to decorate. Start creating your adorable sock puppet. I took a piece of hot pink felt and I just cut out a nice long tongue that I'm going to glue into the inside of his mouth.
Never mind what?
Never mind, I don't want the pop actually.
You don't want this on?
No,
But we're going to put hair on it now.
I don't want that.
We're going to cut this out and we'll put the hair on top. Oh, I love it! Okay, let's do it. Let's see, we'll put the hair onto here. Oh, you're on the hot spool side.
I want to do it for you.
Okay, we'll do it. I'm going to do this one, see.
You like me cut the hair?
Yeah. This is so dangerous.
Hello.
Hello.
It's the cardboard.
Yeah, look. So you put your hand in here, like this.
Oh, you grab the cardboard.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're going to give him hair. Okay.
Hello.
Are you in? You gotta be in the video. Come closer. Your hand, anyway. Do it right here.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. I think we should go like this. I think we should go like that. I love it. Do you love it?
That's we need.
I do love it. Let's see.
And
Should
then
we
we
do this?
need.
Yeah, we'll put the ears on. You
I
want
got
ears.
green. I got purple and green.
You're not using the hot glue.
I'm gonna use both. Let's go like that.
Next we need this.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Look at how cute.
Hey.
I have to tell you, I love it. All right, so you said you want to put gems on it. You want eyes.
Yeah.
Where are we going to put googly eyes? Right here? Oh, I love it. Should we put googly eyes right there, like that?
And we do it like
Yeah, we got to
like
make the
this.
antennas. You want antennas. I like that idea. So we'll do that. You want 2 purple antennas?
Yeah.
All right.
I got green too. Got purple green.
Purple antenna and green antenna.
Okay, whatever you want. You're a googly eye.
You could use blue eyes.
So let's see now. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Nice to meet you. So cute.
I like when he came out in the toilet.
Yeah, so okay, so we're gonna do 1 green and 1 purple antenna.
And we down.
I'm gonna use both glues, so we know that's gonna stay. There. And then we're gonna go.
I just knew it. Wait.
Looky, looky.
I just knew it.
Looky, looky, how cute.
Wait.
I love your puppet. I think he's the cutest ever. Look at she's doing eyeballs from the camera. She's so cute. I love it. You're so funny. I love you.
Attack! Cute glue.
Okay, here. Remember, this is hot. Stay away from the hot stuff. Give me that for 1 second. I'm just using it to like press down on it so I don't touch the hot glue.
Wait. That was so much. Look at me. Wait.
Eva. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What's my name? What did you name me?
I named him Apple.
He's super cute.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can.
So now I'm just putting a piece of cardboard inside the sock so that Ava can glue her little gemstones and everything else she wants to put on it to decorate it, and that we don't glue the
I
sock
know you're going to
closed.
make yours.
It's just to prevent the glue from soaking through the first layer and adhering to the second layer.
Okay. Let's do it.
And I want this one in the middle. I got red and purple.
What else? What else? With the purple one there. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is coming up very pretty. Oh, Adam, you just show me where you want them. I think we should give her a bow.
No! What? I want a bow!
Can I just see what the bow looks like? Let's just see what it looks like. Oh God, that's cute! You don't want it? Alright, fine, mine's getting a bow. You don't have to have a bow. I think it's cute. Alright, which ones are not glued? These right here? Okay.
If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And in the description box below, you will see our other channel. It's called Noni and Me. It's when Ava and Noni have fun making crafts. And back to our video.
Shut it off. Okay, move your fingers. Move your fingers. Okay.
I like it pretty.
Tell you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's take out cardboard. Oh, it's so cute. Get all the way in there. You gotta grab the cardboard. Gotta grab the cardboard. Oh, it's so cute. I love it, Ava. Go show Mom. Show Mom your puppet.
Sock puppet number 2.
Okay, so I'm gonna do. And you're doing neon green. Okay, I'll do the gray hair. Kind of don't like that Noni's got gray hair.
She's so wavy.
Now for the final results. Hello, lovies. I hope you enjoyed the show today. I hope that you want to make some fun puppets like us. I know it was very different from what Gina usually posts, but she thought it would be fun if you have grandkids or kids to make puppets like us. So what did you think? Do you think they're gonna make puppets like us? I hope so. because it's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Hello, lovies. Do you think that Noni and Ava should make a puppet show? And we get to talk to everyone every week? That would be awesome. Bye for now.